Hello everyone. So today is Friday and we are doing an activity today. Let's see what we are doing. So what all we need for that is your pencil eraser to put date and classwork on top and Fevicol to stick them. So this page we are doing. So what you can do is you have to just peel and stick, and if the paper is not given, you can cut them from the your scrap papers and you can paste them. Otherwise you can simply color them. So let's start with our activity. Put date, that is 27/11, and put classwork on the top. So now you can see the sticker is given in your book only. You have to just peel it off and stick them. And if it is not sticking, you can use the Fevicol. You have to just peel it up. Yes, in your Busy Bee book, flower activity you have to do. The flower cutouts are given in the book itself on that page only. You have to just peel them up and stick. And if it's not sticking, you can use the Fevicol. I hope everyone is doing. Yes, you have to peel and stick. Very good. And if not, you can use the Fevicol or Fevistick. 3 flowers are given of different color. You have to paste the petals of the flowers. So peel and stick. And after that, you have to peel the leaves and stick at them. I hope everyone is doing. Once you're completed, you can show it to me. Yes, very good, Arish. I can see Arish is doing very good. I can't see Ahana. Where is Ahana? I can see Dhruvi is doing. Letitia is doing very good. Very good, Niva. Lakshay, you can also do it. Vansh, please bring your Busy Bee book and start doing. Mihika, please start doing. Very good. See, ma'am is doing, you can see. Ma'am, you can spotlight your video so that everyone can see. Very good.
It's done,
It's
ma'am.
done, ma'am.
Beautiful flower. Okay. Yes, now I can see. Very good. See how ma'am is doing? You have to do the same. Just stick different flowers, different petals. After that, we are going to paste the leaves. Is Takshil doing? Takshil, are you doing? Show it to me. Very good. Garima, you can start doing. Bring your book. Very good, Niva. Very good, Tiana. Keep doing. Very good, Devik. Darshi, keep doing. If you're done, you can raise your hand so that we can see yours. Very good, Pravanshi. Titiksha, keep doing. Very good, Kritansh. Tiana has done it. Tiana, Litisha, and Kritansh. Wait, you just keep raising your hand. I'm going to see it at the last together. Okay? Keep doing. So, Lakshay, Harshit, you can switch on your video so that I can see what you're doing. Please switch on your video. Well done, everyone. You're doing a great job. Keep doing. Very good, Devik. Tiana, do it. Wonderful. I can see Neva has almost completed her work. Very good. Show it, everyone. Together. Yes, like that. Wonderful. Very good, everyone. Well done, Arish. Wonderful. Well done, Litisha. Well done, Neva. Wonderful. Very good. So everyone has done a great job. Wonderful. Today we are starting with our capital cursive. So this is our capital cursive. We are starting from today. You can start practicing your small cursive in your rough notebook. Just write it one stretch in from A to Z. Okay. So this is capital cursive. We are starting with capital cursive. So what you have to do, you have to start from the third line, from the blue line. Then you have to make an upward slanting line. Then you have to make a small curve and bring it down again to the same line from where we have started. Okay. Then you have to take up your pencil a little bit. Then you have to make a circle, small circle inside your, like that. So this is capital cursive. You can start practicing. If any problem you are having, we can discuss it on Monday. Okay. Please start practicing in your workbooks. Now, capital cursive letter B. So we'll start from the red line. Then you have to bring it down till the blue line. Take it back to the red line again. Like that. Then make a one curve till blue line. Very good. And another curve till the second blue line. Then you have to make a small curve inside that. So this is small cursive B. Now, small cursive letter, capital cursive letter C. You have to start from the from the blue line, second line. You have to make a upward slanting line. Then make a small curve and bring it down to the third line like that. Then take it to the second line and make a small curve. So this is small cursive C. Now last letter for today is small cursive D. We are doing 4 letters today. So we have to start from the third line again. Bring it down till the blue line. Make a small curve and take it to the back. Then from here you have to take it to the red line. Then take it inside the curve like this. So this is small cursive D. We have done 4 letters today. You can practice single letter on a single day, like you can practice A today, B tomorrow, and C on D on the last day. You're having your weekend break, you can practice, and still you're having any problem, we can discuss it on Monday. So 4 letters I'm giving you today to practice. Everyone has to practice. Okay? Are you going to do it? 4 cursives, capital cursive letters you have to learn. So please practice, everyone. You're having Saturday, Sunday. So this is all for today. Thank you and stay safe. Bye-bye.